So state police undoubtedly has been done some investigation. I think picked up one person has been arrested. What is the assurance you will give to the doctors? The doctors are on strike. They are, as I said, that you can't ignore their feelings.
And the video evidence are also there. I can produce it before the court. The family members were not made allowed after the body was taken away.
Last year in 2023, there was a massive ragging scandal in Maniktala RG Kaur hostel. Everything was hushed up. He is so powerful, nobody can touch him. 2023, any student who opposes this man is ragged in the hostel. And it is on record, but they will do nothing.
What is the state doing, Mr. Banerjee?
As far as the investigation is concerned, a thorough, transparent investigation is on. And I use the word transparent because the family is updated constantly by the highest officers of the police force about the progress that is being made.
No, the parents are also before us.
Yes, if your lordship so desires, I shall not, for the purpose investigation, I would not, because your lordship kindly see that social media is full of incorrect statements. Not the problem of social incorrect, even in one of the repetitions, one boy's name has been taken. Social media is flashing the picture of one boy. He is a boy from humble background in the district of Bankura. He is very much present over here. His picture is being flashed that he's missing.
That we can't do anything.
That is only
we can't gag the press. No,
may I only no, this is not gagging the press. May I say this? We have a helpline. I'm giving the number of that. Anybody has.
Sir, at the end of the day, the parents who are now before court, keep alone Mr. Bagshi's case or whoever is it, the leader of opposition has filed it, and two more social activists have filed. But more importantly, we have granted leave for the parents of the victim to file the writ petition. So, what does the Honorable Supreme Court say? To transfer investigation, the court should be satisfied that the investigation is not proceeding in the manner it should proceed, or it doesn't instill confidence on the persons concerned, more particularly the family of the victim. So, state police undoubtedly has been done some investigation. I think picked up one person has been arrested till now. Of course, we also read these newspapers. We can't be without reading. There is a statement from the highest authority of the state stating that some ultimatum has been granted till Sunday. If nothing happens, the state is willing to transfer it to the central agency. That's the statement we read. Maybe right or wrong, that's up to the state to make a submission. But you will have to cover all these angles.
Everything with deepest respect. May I file a report in the shortest time that your lordship fixes? I will, with the full details of the investigation in a sealed cover before your lordship. For your lordship.
What is the assurance you will give to the doctors? The doctors are on strike. They are, as I said, that you can't ignore their feelings. The state missionary should enter into a dialogue with them, because it is such a noble profession. The innocent patients shouldn't suffer. It's not that they purposely want to do it, but the incident is so gruesome as portrayed in the press as well as in the repetitions. Is so gruesome. They are justified. They are justified in a way. How do they express their emotion? So what they feel is, if it has happened to X, why will not happen to?
Absolutely, 100%. I'm not for a moment, because I'm not treating this matter as adversarial.
And they want some CCTV, the place to be illuminated.
That will be done.
These are all basic things.
There is, fortunately, it is not that the area is fully without CCTV. In fact, we have been able to track the entire movement through CCTV. So there were CCTVs.
But only one thing, my lordships, kindly see how the investigation is going on. Yesterday, the principal resigned from his post. Now he has been assigned his in National Medical College. He should be.
What do you want me to? What does the
lordship? What we have on, my lord.
First of all,
what is his role concerning this?
Because he is the principal of Archikar College.
But then he has been made as a party here.
No, yes. In my writ petition, I have sought that the erstwhile principal as well as the erstwhile MSVP to be made and accused in the criminal proceeding, because they cannot shrug away from the responsibility.
That is 6th and 7th.
Forensic expert had interacted
yesterday when I had been to the place to express my solidarity, they said the postmortem report indicates this sort of injury could not have happened only by one single individual. There must be multiple action by multiple persons. Postmortem of the person. Therefore, this requires the
This
investigation.
is what I dispute. Because
They will definitely,
I
this is
will, I will, as I said, my lord, I will file an exhaustive detailed report as far as the entire investigation. For your lordship.
But what they say is prima facie opinion is that this assault could not have been committed by a single person.
That is not correct. Because I am saying, my lord, my humble submission is, my lord, I have taken specific instruction on that. That when it is a case of multiple, the nature of injuries would be slightly different. I don't want to say all this in open court, my lord, right now, my lord, but in the report, my lord, I shall give it.
forensic experts, my lord, they have categorically made this statement. Let us, a forensic expert engaged in government health service.
Who?
They are, yes, if he wants to get the name, I'll get the name. Give
No,
the
no,
name.
don't tell the name.
It's not necessary. But Lord, prima facie, Lord, it is a case where, my lord, the parents also feel that this couldn't have been done by a person who intended to only commit rape.
Why? There is nothing to hide. I'm not doing. I am carrying out an extremely transparent investigation, and I shall bring that out. I myself volunteer.
Because this is not a private dispute. Sir.
Yes,
It's not a private.
I am.
my lord, only one thing, I would beg to dispute, I would beg to dispute with the submissions as has been advanced by Mr. Banerjee. My lord, I have annexed a newspaper, my lord, article in page number, yes. And the video evidence are also there. I can produce it before the court. The family members were not made allowed after the body was taken away. The family members absolutely had no idea.
And if suppose somebody comes with an affidavit saying that the principal said it was a case of psychosis, he blamed the victim, then it's a very serious matter.
In the morning says, I'm standing for the government servants. In the evening, he's appointed principal and another adjacent medical college.
We are here, my lord, on the gruesome incident that has happened and the investigation. My lord would kindly.
And the attending circumstances.
Yes, my lord, that is my.
So in an incident, the investigation and the attending circumstances.
The part of the state. It was on the at the very outset that had come from the highest authority of the state that it should be immediately transferred to the CBI. Now she comes up with a statement saying that after 7 days. So my lord, this is absolutely suspicious. Within this 7 days, evidence would be wiped out. My lord, I have annexed a newspaper article with this, which says, page number 21 of my application, no objection to CBI probe, says the highest authority of the state on the very next day. Now, my lord, she comes up with a statement after 7 days. So this 7 days is very crucial for wiping out the evidence.
Advice on all these things. How to handle medical legal cases.
My lord, this is the same
May I
principal
say,
who during COVID-19 was held responsible for ventilators there was a huge scam with regard to ventilators, and this person is the sole accused. Nothing was done. He was transferred within 48 hours. He was brought back. He was transferred to Murshidabad. Within 1 month, he was brought back. Last year in 2023, there was a massive ragging scandal in Maniktala RG Kaur hostel. Everything was hushed up. He is so powerful, nobody can touch him. And my lord, this is all on record. 2023, any student who opposes this man is ragged in the hostel. And it is on record, but they will do nothing.
absolutely,
But then
I am not
he is
promoting.
occupying an administrative post.
Absolutely.
If he heads the medical department, he heads the surgical department, orthopedic department is a different matter. Once he becomes a principal or a superintendent, he is an administrator. If he is an administrator, you should have recorded a statement from him. Why do you protect? Let him tell the truth. This is what I came to know. Because in the early hours it has happened. Probably by the time he reported to office, by 10:30 only he would have come to know, or 9:30 he would have been informed over phone. So let him, that statement is the basis, sir.